Hello everybody, and welcome to a vlog. Today we're on the Honda because weather, and I thought today I'd just update you a bit about what's going on in my life in relation to the channel and why things have been a little bit quiet. And the main reason things have been quiet is life. Life has been incredibly hectic. I've not been able to do all the things I wanted to do on the bike this summer. One of those reasons is weather. I mean, I've been out on the bike, I just haven't been able to film it. It's just been absolutely horrendous. Just usual crud really. So that's that moan out of the way. Moan done. Ignore the flashing ABS light. The ABS is screwed on this. Something we need to look at. But there's been some changes. There has been some changes going on, motorcycle related, in my family. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my wife, Sarah, also known as Twinkle Moto on Instagram, has done her CBT and got herself a little YBR 125, a Yamaha. So she is now two-wheeled, and with any luck we'll be featuring in the channel going forward because we have all the gear. What we need to do is obviously arrange childcare so that we can get out on the bike for a couple of hours or so. It's just literally, it's just finding the time to do it. Just got to do it really. I mean, summer has been horrendous this year. What's summer? I mean, if you follow Instagram, you may have seen that I went to Wales. That was actually really nice. We had a very, very nice week of weather. One day I think it rained, but wasn't an issue. But overall, the school holidays for the kids have just been just dismal really. Waking up every day and looking out the window and seeing that big black clouds has not been particularly fun. And today I was going to commute in on the MT01, but rain. The roads are all disgusting and I just didn't fancy getting it dirty because I'm a bit of a tart when it comes to that bike. But what you gonna do? Oh yes, come in on your CRF250, which I'm not much of a tart about. It is what it is. So yeah, we're just working out logistics as well, how to record my wife on the video at the same time. I think we've got it. We bought a cheap intercoms system off of Amazon, steaming up. So that at least we can talk to each other, but that won't record on Bluetooth. There is a system that I've been trialing out, but I don't want to use that yet until I'm 100% with it. On that one, it is a bit of a beta one as well. It's one I found on a website called motovlog.co.uk or .com. One of those. I'll put the link below. You can go and check that out if you're a vlogger. It's run by Mr. Hippo Drones. Lots of useful information on there, and there's a guy on there that's created a system that's a bit like the Rock system, only better. So hopefully we'll get that running as well, but I won't be using that for recording first of all. We'll see how that goes. Why are you slowing down? I need to get some fuel. Right, go and get some petrol. It's just roadworks down here at the moment. Where's the cyclist going? See, that was naughty, mate. Right around the outside of me there. Just literally caught him on the mirror there. Otherwise he would have been off. No idea. But yeah, my wife decided out of the blue that she's going to do a bike test on the CVT. She's got the CVT out of the way. We managed to pick up a little Yamaha 125 YBR 125, and because it was the summertime, the prices were extortionate, but we managed to find one of a reasonable price and a reasonable condition. We had to do a few bits to it, like the clutch sensor, the neutral sensor was broken, so we changed that. That wasn't very expensive. And the clutch cable needed replacing, chain needed tightening up, brakes needed a bit of sorting out, but I did all that and it's fine. And hopefully, if she does decide to do a full test, which at the moment is sounding quite promising like she will, we'll basically sell the bike on probably the same price as what we bought it for, with any luck. It's a nice little bike. And we managed to get out the other day very briefly for about 20 minutes just together, just to test out the comm system, and so that my wife could get a bit more used to a bike. She's a little bit nervous on it. It needs a bit of reassurance. So first few times hopefully I'm going to be following her. Oh, let's get some go juice. The good thing about this bike is it's quite happy on the E10, whereas I don't like risking the E10 in the Yamaha. So it's some stuff in it. Definitely not diesel. I have picked up the diesel one in the past because we do have diesel cars, and it's just muscle memory. How much was that? £10.72, and that'll last me 150 miles on this bad boy, just in and out of town, which is what I love about it. Number 7. Oh, I need my key. Ah, nice big full tank there. So yeah, I'm on the CRF today because, like I said, I'm a tart and I don't want to get my MT-01 too dirty, because I did get it dirty and I couldn't find a weekend or a day when it wasn't raining to clean the flipping thing properly. I stop moaning about the weather. Everyone knows weather's crap. It's one of those things. So yeah, while you're watching, do go out and check out my wife's Instagram page. It's Twinkle Moto. She's basically just documenting her riding the bike, getting used to it. And hopefully she'll become more active on it as she gets out on her own. She starts taking boring pictures like me, haha. We'll see. The CRF passed its MOT the other day, the Yamaha passed its MOT the month before, so that's all good. I do tend to put the baffles back in the MT-01 for MOT time and then take them straight back out, because it is quite noisy and I'm not 100% sure if they'll appreciate the noise or that'll give me a fail. So anyway everyone, I hope you enjoyed my little rant this morning about the weather and stuff and time and life and things like that. If you haven't done so already, please give me a subscribe, it really helps. Give the video a thumbs up, that also really helps. And I'll see you next time. See ya!